Hi, I am attorney Mary Pyer Powers, and I am part of Powers Law Group. I practice with my husband Dennis and my son Sean. We are in Springfield and West Springfield primarily, and the focus of our practices is real estate and primarily estate planning for my side of the practice. We're here today with Sean to talk a little bit about powers of attorney.
Yeah, power of attorney is a fantastic document to have should anything happen and you're not able to act for yourself, whether that's a moment of incapacity or whether you're just not local and you can have an agent that can act for you, write checks, initiate a lawsuit, but also really help maybe do estate planning depending on how deep and how complex you've made your power of attorney. And the benefits of that, really are endless.
Mm-hmm. The most powers of attorney are general durable powers of attorney, and they are general in that they cover all aspects of your financial well-being. They're durable, and that's the most important part. They're durable so that if you do become incapacitated, your agent is able to use those powers while you're incapacitated. For most people, the idea of giving another person a power of attorney is a little overwhelming because those powers, once you sign the document, are effective. So the alternative is to do what's called a springing power.
Right, and in contradiction to what our healthcare proxies are, where you need to be incapacitated for that to become effective. Like you said, the durable power of attorney becomes effective immediately, and the springing power of attorney only becomes effective only upon the instance that you actually have a letter from your medical doctor saying that you're incapacitated and you can't act on your own. So for those individuals that don't want to give up that power, that is a great document to have. Of course, the issues therein lies if you're away and you just need someone to pay a bill or initiate a lawsuit for you, you're going to be inhibited because there's no letter from a doctor saying that you're incapacitated.
Correct. It requires a little bit of planning, but most people are hesitant to give those broad powers to another individual. The way to work around that is you can put a provision that allows you to take that power away. So if I'm the agent and I need to act, if my principal, and that's the person setting up the power of attorney, signs a statement that I can use the power of attorney without a doctor's certificate, then that would work. It may be confusing and it may be better to do an updated power of attorney, but there is options.
And another benefit of the power of attorney, if you're not available to sign a deed, should you be selling one of the assets that you own, whether it's a primary residence or it's an investment property, you can have an individual sign on behalf of you as long as you can provide proof that the power of attorney is still in fact.
Correct.
That may require your agent to sign a document saying that it hasn't been revoked as far as they're aware, but it does allow you to move forward with some of the sales of your assets should you need to. And there's been a huge benefit to that. You can also have limited powers of attorney, which, using real estate as a good example, we have had individuals that have moved away to different states and have signed a limited power of attorney specifically for the deed to be signed and for the sale to happen without any hiccups.
Correct. In a power of attorney, you do have to be careful. Your agent has the authority, as we said before, to handle all aspects of your financial well-being. But that agent also needs to understand that they act as a trustee or a fiduciary and have an obligation to account to you for how and why they use your funds, and to possibly ultimately account to your estate.
Yeah. So thanks for coming and joining us today for a quick discussion on powers of attorney. If you have any questions, please give your attorney a call. And if you don't have an attorney, please reach out to Powers Law Group and we're happy to help you.